Hello kids, today I am going to tell you the story of J. Hope you will enjoy. Jenny loves jelly. Jenny's mother has promised to make her some jelly this afternoon. When Jenny come back to home from the school, she eat a slice of bread, jam and has a glass of orange juice. She asked to her mother about jelly. Jenny's mother go and open the fridge and show Jenny the jelly she has made. Jenny say, "Wow, the jelly is tall and red and it has 4 layers." As Jenny carried it to the table, it's wobbling and wobbling. Jenny pretended to wobble just like the jelly, saying, "Jelly on a plate, jelly on a plate, ja 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 ja, jelly on a plate." Hope you will enjoy. If you are new on my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel.